New method, guys, and it works for everyone. This is how much I have earned with this one, and you only need a tiny bit of your time to set this up properly, and then it's gonna make you money on autopilot. Passive income, guys. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose your time. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, guys, I want you to connect to Sellics.com, guys, and as you can see, you can grow your Amazon sales with this one. It is good for Amazon sellers, and there are a lot of Amazon sellers out there, and we don't want to become one of them, but we are going to help those Amazon sellers to get their sales up and running, guys. And as you can see, you can improve your ad sales and ACOS, you can save your time, you can set your own goals with this one, and that's all what's needed for these Amazon sellers, guys. Those are a special group of people which will highly profit from this kind of software, guys, and these guys offer free trials, so it will be much easier to sell this to them because they don't need to spend any money up front, so they can start free trial. As you can see here, just enter your email. And by the way, just look at these partners over here. They are featured on Forbes, Huffington Post, but they are pretty new, so this is good for affiliating, guys. As you can see, if you scroll down here, you will find this affiliate section, guys, and that's what you need to do. We are gonna affiliate for this website, guys. We're gonna join this network and we will earn good commissions, guys. As you can see, you can get $2,000 every week, guys, because your success is their success. You can see that your payout will be processed immediately after it's reviewed in dollars to your PayPal account, guys, and they have great commissions, guys. Great commissions on this website, and as you can see, it is very easy. You can just register, then your application will be reviewed, then you will have a qualification call, and you will be welcomed to their family, guys. And I just want to tell you that, guys, that you can earn a lot of money. There are a lot of Amazon sellers, and this tool on Sellics.com will help them sell even more of their items, guys. So all you have to do now, guys, is click here on Apply Now button, and now you have to complete this simple information about yourself, such as your first name, last name, company, phone number, your country, region, and everything. And after you do all of this, just click on Submit button. Now, once you are on the inside, guys, you will find your affiliate, your special referral link, which you can use to make some money, guys. As you can see, this is some demo report which can they make for you, and they will be served to those who buy this program, guys. As you can see, there are some free plans over here, but people who sell on Amazon, they can afford at least this one, guys. They earn a lot of money, and they can even afford to themselves this one as well. But this one is enough for us because we can get 50% commission out of this, guys. That's $260. 50% is $130 per each person that we get here. As you can see, guys, average earnings on Amazon sellers is from $1,000 to $25,000 per month, guys. Now, that's crazy amount of income for them. So they can easily come on Sellics and afford these plans for themselves. It's not a problem for them, guys, and you're gonna get yourself a commission. Now, that's the whole plan. And the best part is that these people won't have to buy it from start. They will have a free trial and they will fall in love with it, guys. They will fall in love with it, guys, and they will buy it for sure. And we're gonna get our 50% very easily, guys. So what I want you to do now, guys, is get your affiliate link and go to bit.ly.com, and you have to shorten your link because it's gonna look better that way. It's gonna be much more better looking for you, and you will need it for the next website that we're gonna visit. And now, guys, this is it. I want you to go on Facebook.com and type in here Amazon sellers, guys. Just type in Amazon sellers and now click here on groups, and that's gonna open all of these groups. And as you can see, there are a lot of them, guys. There are a lot of them. There are some from India as well. There are some from Europe, from America. And as you can see, 62,000 members in this one. And this one has 59K members. This one 64K members. Guys, you only need a few of them. You only need a few of them for this to work, and I'm gonna right now show you how you can get their attention. I made this document on Google Doc, and you can use it for yourself. So as you can see in the first place, there is something like, if you want to increase your Amazon sales, use these 4 simple techniques to attract more customers without spending money on marketing. That's our bait, guys. That's what's gonna keep them here. Now they have these 4 steps which are good for Amazon sales. I did some research, and now here one more bait. If you want to increase your Amazon sales by 60 to 100%. Follow these steps, guys, and now click on this link. And now you will insert your link here. You will insert that bit.ly link which you have shortened, put it in here, and that's it, guys. And now what you want to do is go to Facebook and go into some of these groups, guys. Some of them will be hard to enter. They may ask you certain questions, but that's all right, guys. So for example, let's click on this Amazon FBA sellers. You can just join this group and they will ask you certain questions. So just answer these questions. It doesn't matter, guys. And now once you are on the inside, you will paste this one into your post, your new post, and then you will give out the link for this Google Doc. And whenever someone from here sees that, they'll go to your Google Doc and they'll read that, and then they're gonna go to Sellics by clicking on your link, guys. And they're gonna go and they're gonna land on this page, guys. They're gonna land on this page with your referral link, which means that you send them, so you're gonna earn commission. But they will have the chance to analyze products and start 7-day free trial, guys. And that free trial is what makes up the game, guys. It serves us well. It's good that they have this trial because people will be like, okay, I don't want to spend anything right now. I just want to try this one out, and they're gonna see that they made their sales skyrocket with this tool, and they're gonna wish to buy this one. And a lot of them will opt for this one over here, and you'll get $130 for each one, guys. And as you were able to see, there are a lot of people here, guys. So 62,000 people. If only like 10 people go and buy this, that's over $1,000 for you guys. Now, how simple is that? You just have to be patient. You just have to go into these groups and paste this bait that I made for you. You can just find this. You can use this one as well and just put your link here. As I said, insert your link here. You will have one shortened from bit.ly, and then just go and paste it into these groups, guys. As you can see, this person asks, hello everybody, can you help me about online business? And then you will submit your comment here with the information that I gave you. And guys, trust me, 50% commission is great, guys. That's $130 for you for each person that comes and buys that plan, guys. That's amazing, really. And with all of this traffic over here, you are set for success, guys. You are set for success because there are a lot of people who are looking for that same stuff. They are gathering in these groups because they want that information. They want to find that product which is gonna help them to make more sales on Amazon. And trust me, these people have a lot of money. They can easily buy your product here. They can easily visit Sellics and they can invest. This is nothing for them, guys. This is actually nothing for them. A lot of them can even afford this plan over here, and in that way you're gonna earn $600, guys. Now that's really crazy. I highly suggest you guys go and visit this and take some action and get some money from these guys because it is possible. Now get yourself running, and I'll get you guys later.